Hi friends, I am Hanuman. In this video, we will discuss about what is homomorphism and what is isomorphism. So first we see what is the homomorphism. I am taking here G is a group with respect to this binary operation circle, and H is a group with respect to star. Okay. I am taking one mapping from where to where. Suppose G to H. Okay, G to H. This pi, this pi function is said to be homomorphism. It satisfies the below condition. Okay, that condition is pi of x circle y is equal to pi of x star pi of y. Okay, so this is the definition of the homomorphism. Okay, so this binary operation in star is binary operation in H. Okay, this circle is binary operation in G. Okay, so for all for all x comma y belongs to G. Okay, so this is the definition of the homomorphism. So this x circle y, okay, this x circle y, so this x circle y is belongs to G. Okay, this belongs to G. So pi of x and pi of y is belongs to H. Okay, so this is the definition of the homomorphism. We see here, I am written here, I follow the one book. I'm defining the definition in this book. Homomorphism is so here G star and H star. So I'm taking I'm taking circle and star. Okay, so here G star and H star B groups pi. So I'm taking pi is a map from H to G, but here he take G to H. Okay, is said to be homomorphism. This pi is said to be homomorphism. Pi star of y is equal to pi of x cycle pi of y. So this star is binary operation in G. Okay, this circle, this diamond shape binary operation in H. Okay, so for all x comma y belongs to G, any function satisfies this condition, and this is a homomorphism. Okay, now we see definition of the isomorphism. Okay, so pi is a mapping from G to H, is said to be isomorphism. It is homomorphism. Okay, first condition is homomorphism, and second onto 1 and onto. If this pi is said to be isomorphism, it should satisfy this condition, homomorphism 1 and onto. Then only we say that pi is a isomorphism. Okay, so we see here. So see here. So here pi is a mapping from G to H is called an isomorphism. Okay, G and H are said to be isomorphic or same isomorphic time. This is written as isomorphism we will define as like this. Okay, so pi is homomorphism bijection. Bijection means it should contain, it's bijection, it means it should satisfy two conditions. One is 1 and on 2. So then only we say that pi is a homomorphism and bijection. Okay, then only we say that pi is a isomorphism. Okay, so this is the definition of the homomorphism and isomorphism. So we see some example. Here I am taking pi is a function from R plus R real number set with respect to place. This is a group. Okay, set of all non-zero real numbers. Okay, this is a group with respect to multiplication. So now I want to prove that this pi is homomorphism and isomorphism. Okay, so first condition, so this first I want to prove that this pi is a homomorphism. Okay, so I'm taking here pi is a map. Pi is a map. I'm taking here map is exponential function. Okay, so I'm taking this pi is a map from R to R place with respect to binary operation place and multiplication. I'm defining pi of x is equal to e power x. Okay, so pi of x plus y. Okay, so R place, right? So I am taking here x plus y is equal to e power x plus y. So this is what e power x into e power y. So with e power y. So if this is I am taking here x is negative or positive and y is negative or positive. So these are positive real number. So this belongs to where set of, and this belongs to where R place. Okay, so this is what pi of x into pi of y. So it is satisfy the condition what homomorphism. Okay, homomorphism. Okay, this satisfy the first condition. Second condition is 1 1 condition is pi of x1. Okay, pi of x1 is equal to pi of x2. So e power of x1 is equal to e power of x2. So x1 equal to what, x2. So this is satisfy 1 1 condition. So this is also 1 1. Okay, this pi is a 1 1. Now I want to prove that onto. Now I want to prove that pi is a onto function. Okay, pi is a onto function. Here pi of x is equal to what, e power x. Okay, e power x, and pi from R to R plus. So onto condition is for every x belongs to R place. Okay, there exists y belongs to R. Okay, such that pi of y is equal to x. Okay, here what is pi of y? E power y is equal to what, x. From this log, okay, from this log x is equal to y. So this is a positive number. Why? Because here x belongs to where, R place. So x is greater than 0. So here x is a positive number. So this is a defined. Okay, so this y is equal to this y is a positive number. Okay, so every element in R place, it has a, every image of R place has a pre-image. So this satisfy the onto condition. So this pi is a, okay, pi is a onto function. Okay, onto function. Therefore this pi is homomorphism and onto and 1 1. So pi is a isomorphism. Okay, so this is the definition of the homomorphism and examples of the homomorphism and isomorphism. So any function is become a isomorphism, it must be homomorphism and 1 1 and onto. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel. If you need any concept, you comment it, I will try to explain that concept. If you I'm did any mistake in my explanation on when I am writing something, uh, you say directly. I will try to rectify it, and I'm trying to make a better video my next video. Okay, thank you.